Hello everyone, welcome back once again. In this video, we will look at getting started with Python and WinForms using the Visual Studio 2022. So if you're looking to create a desktop application with a slick graphical user interface, then make sure you stay to the finish. But before we get started, please make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't. So let's get into it then. So first thing first, make sure that you have Visual Studio 2022 installed on your machine. If you haven't, then go to the official Visual Studio website and download and install it. Once you're done with that bit, let's get started. So let's open the Visual Studio installer. Now we've got the Visual Studio installed. Let's click on the modify. So here you have to make sure that you've got this box, Python development, checked here. So this will actually help you in editing, debugging, interactive development, and source control for Python. Okay. So once you've got this selected here, all this the Python language support will be downloaded and installed, including all of this stuff. So you got to make sure that you've got Python 3.9.13 installed as well. So this will be actually compatible with what we will use later on the video. Okay. So once you're done with all this bit here, then we can close the Visual Studio installer and open the Visual Studio. Now let's go ahead and click on create a new project. So if you download and develop the Python development, you should get this. Once you select the Python language, you should get this template showing up. Okay, so we will select the Python application. So this is just a project for creating a command line application. Okay, for Python, Windows, Linux, Mac OS, console, and whatnot. Okay, so we select this. So here, obviously, you got to make sure that you configure your project details. I mean, for this video, we're not going to look too much into that. Okay, so we click on the create. So as you can see here now, we've got a Python application created for us now with this Python application 4.py inside. So let's go ahead and delete this file. And then right click on the project and let's add a new item. So on the first bit here, let's add a Python file and let's call it main.py. Okay. Okay, fine. So the next bit, of course, is we right click the project and then we click on open command prompt here. So this will be opened. So what we're going to do is we're going to type pip install Python net. Yeah, so make sure you got this correct here, and then you press enter. Okay, so let's look inside what we've got here for the reference. So as you can see here, we've got we've got here, and then let's go ahead and right click on the Python environment and add environment. So here I've got to make sure that we select the 3.9 instead, okay? And then we click on the create. So on the project, on the main.py, right click main.py, and then we set a startup file. Okay, so as you can see, everything is looking nice. So right now, let's go ahead and add some code. Yeah, but for brevity reason, yeah, I'm just going to copy the first bit here. I'm going to paste the first bit here. So as you can see, have a look now. We are importing from CLR. Yeah. And then add reference system.windows.forms. And then from system.windows.form, we import application, form, label, and the doc style. Yeah. So make sure you pause the video and you type this. Yeah. So let's go ahead and add a class. So the class, this will be my form. It will take in form, put a column, and then define and then we put in this variable self. Okay, then super. So here we put the my form, and then self, and then we put a dot in it. So here, obviously, put the self dot test. So this will be the form test. The form title. We're just gonna put WinForms. So basically, it's a single quote, not double quote. Yeah. So we're just gonna put WinForms, and then we declare variable label. So this will be label. And then inside we put a text inside the label. So we can say my first Python WinForms. Then label dot doc is equal to doc style dot fill, and then self dot controls dot add. So we add the label to the form. So we have this variable, we declare another form variable here. It's equal to my form. And then application dot run. So we run the form. Okay. So that's all it. So as we can see here, it's a very simple start. So we're going to go ahead and run it to see what actually comes out of it. So let's go ahead and run it and see what actually comes out of it. Yep, so as we can see here now, we've got our WinForms, our Python WinForms running now. Okay, so as you can see here, it's very easy to get started. Okay, so once again here, I'll leave this video for here for now. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please make sure you do because I've got lots of videos coming up. And I hope you have a lovely morning, evening, afternoon, wherever you are. Peace.